My name is Kiran Makkar, and today I'm going to discuss with you an essay which was seen on 21st November 2015 in India. This looks to be a simple essay on the environment, but it was a little challenging for me to collect the ideas and plan this essay. Uh, Environmental problems such as pollution and climatic variations are increasing nowadays. The governments have taken some measures at a global level, but they got only few solutions. Why is it so? How can this problem be solved? This is a problem solution essay, and I have tried to handle it by giving in each body paragraph by giving the problem and the solution. Problem and the solution, problem and the solution. Three body paragraphs have made like this. Saving the environment has become the top priority across the world. No country in the world disagrees with the fact that the Earth is at the brink of a climatic disaster, but the measures taken neither have legs nor the length to address the issue. This essay intends to look into why the measures have always fallen short of the mark and suggest some solutions to mitigate the problem. So, in this introduction, I have written a few difficult words. Brink means on the verge, on the edge, on the border, and neither have legs nor the length means the problem, the measures are not enough, and mitigate is to lessen the problem, to decrease the problem. To have fallen short is that to not be enough. The first reason why global measures have failed is that the developing world is shying away from the burden it needs to bear for the damage it did to the environment in the colonial industrial revolution times. Actually, the developed world in the when the industrial revolution started, they were the ones which had the maximum industries, and they created all the pollution then, and now they are shying away from the burden it needs to bear because they have been major causes of this global warming. Developing world is now stepping into that, and now they're asking everybody not to develop further because a lot of harm has been done, and it is shying away from the fact that it is the developed world is mainly responsible for all that. Hence, we are stuck in a limbo of bipolar world of developing nations on one side and the developed on the other. And the compromises reached between the two have always been far from satisfactory. If we need to see a real positive change, the developed world has to do more than the developing world. It cannot just say that everyone should play an equal role. It can provide wealth and technology related to renewable sources of energy to the developing and the least developed country. It can do so by providing. That would look better. By providing. So, this one paragraph has the one reason why the measures are not enough and also the solution for that. The second major reason of not being able to do for the environment is that our governments are acting in the interests of powerful lobbies and corporations. For example, the fossil fuel industries are trillion-dollar businesses. If clean energy succeeds, these giants would lose. The clout of these is so strong that instead of acting with ambition and urgency, the governments are making feeble efforts. The solution for this would be to create awareness that fossil fuel industries have to step down to let the greener energies succeed. Clout, the power of these, the 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 pull of these, the authority of these, the influence of these. Finally, development and environment are always seen at loggerheads with each other. They are seen at loggerheads means they are seen opposing to each other. They say that if development occurs, then environment has to suffer. Environment always ends up taking a back seat to development. This, thus, looking at two as separate entities has delayed and brought us to our current position. The answer to this is sustainable development, which is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the environment. To sum up, it can be clearly seen why the steps, it can be seen clearly why the steps taken so far have failed to save the environment. However, the time has come to do some soul searching and take proactive steps for the environment. The plan followed is very simple. I have given the first reason of failure with a solution, the second reason of failure with a solution, and third reason with a solution. Uh, I hope you enjoyed this essay. Please click on the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more such essays. Thank you.